I welcome you all to this beautiful program, Nritya Ranjana. Thank you all for joining us here today. Arushi planned to showcase her dance talent in June, a year ago, after just graduating from high school. But, as we all know, March 2020 threw us all out of sync. So we are fortunate to host this show right before she leaves Houston to begin her second year of college at Case Western Reserve University in Cleveland. We, as her Barabapa, Barama, and Didi, have watched her grow from a little girl to a responsible young adult. She has always been a little sister to me, and on behalf of our family, I wish her all the best for her future endeavors. Let me introduce you to the anchor of Nritya Ranjana. She is none other than Arushi's Anita Kuri. She lives in St. Louis with her husband and son and is a senior technology professional at a multinational corporation. Mrs. Anita Samo, please come to the podium and take charge. Thank you all again, and please enjoy the program.
Good evening, and namaskar to you all. It's an immense pleasure for me to be the MC of Nritya Ranjana, a rendition of Odissi classical dance. Nritya Ranjana. Now, what's that? Sounds interesting, doesn't it? Well, this is an ornamental repertoire which Arushi has tried to create, with individual pieces of dance strung together like pearls in a necklace, each signifying cornerstones of a typical Odissi performance. Please allow me to give you a brief introduction to a stage performance of Odissi. The opening piece has a salutation to the deity and to the audience, is known as Mangalacharan. Then comes pure dance, Pallavi. Dance drama or enactment, Abhinaya. The last piece is typically a Mukhya, signifying the end of performance. All these, to me, somehow signify the journey of life, if you will. Yeah. Good to have enthusiastic audience. I would like to draw your attention to another uniqueness of today's performance. The dance and the music in the entire performance but one piece are brand new compositions and reaching to you for the very first time. Hope you like them. Now, if I don't talk about the ground rules, my role here will be incomplete. So here they are. There are exits on the right side of the auditorium. Please silence your cell phones so that you and others can fully enjoy the show without any distraction. Please minimize talking or moving while the performance is going on. Well, small children, they can get very impatient, so feel free to take them outside in case they need a break. Please avoid flash photography. Last but not the least, please keep your masks on. Maintain social distancing when you can. We have plenty of seats to spread out, unless you're a family and you want to be together. We will try not to interrupt the flow so as to keep up with the schedule, and will keep introductions to the individual dances to a minimum, as the brochure will be your guide. Arushi starts with Mangalacharan, based on Adiguru Sankaracharya's Nirvana Stataka, the 6 verses describing Nirvana. They are in your brochure insert if you would like to follow along. You will hear Shivoham in multitude in this song, which means I am that Shiva. Though in general, the word Shiva draws a picture of the ever-meditating deity, ash-adorned forehead, complete with the third eye and slithering snakes. The deeper meaning is actually negating any such connotations. Rather, portrays a free soul that is one with the only supreme form. This exemplifies the theory of non-dualism, Advaita. Please enjoy.
धी धलंग ता धी धी करतक धी ता धी गरिगल धी
मनोबुद्ध्यहंकार चित्तानि नाहं न च श्रोत्रजिह्वे न च घ्राणनेत्रे मनोबुद्ध्यहंकार चित्तानि नाहं न च श्रोत्रजिह्वे न च घ्राणनेत्रे न च व्योमभूमि न तेजो न वायुः
न च व्योमभूमिर्न तेजो न वायुः न च व्योमभूमिर्न तेजो न वायुः
चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् न च प्राणसंज्ञो न वै पञ्चवायुः न वा सप्तधातुर्न वा पञ्चकोशः न च प्राणसंज्ञो न वै पञ्चवायुः न वा सप्तधातुर्न वा पञ्चकोशः न वाक्पाणिपादौ न चोपस्थपायुः न वाक्पाणिपादौ न चोपस्थपायुः चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं
किट्टि तक धी किट्टि तक धलंग तक ता धी किट्ट धी तक ता धी तक धी ता किट्टि तक धी किट्टि तक धलंग तक ता धी किट्ट धी तक ता धी तक धी ता करतक धी करतक धी करतक धी तक ता किट्टि ता किट्टि करतक धी तक ता किट्टि धा गरिगल धा तित्ता ता किट्टक ता गरिगल धा तित्ता ता किट्टक धा गरिगल धा तित्ता ता किट्टक ता गरिगल धा तित्ता धा तित्ता धा तित्ता धा तित्ता धा के धा तित्ता धा के धा तित्ता धा धा तिरकिट 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 करतक धी तित्ता गिरकिट धी करतक धी तित्ता गिरकिट धी करतक धी तित्ता गिरकिट धी
न मे द्वेषरागौ न मे लोभमोहौ मदो नैव मे नैव माश्रयभावः न मे द्वेषरागौ न मे लोभमोहौ मदो नैव मे नैव माश्रयभावः
न धर्मो न चार्थो न कामो न मोक्ष्यः न धर्मो न चार्थो न कामो न मोक्ष्य चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्
न पुण्यं न पापं न
भोजनं नैव भोजं न भोक्ता अहं भोजनं नैव भोजं न भोक्ता
चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्
शिष्यः न बन्धुर्न मित्रं गुरुर्नैव शिष्यः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् अहं निर्विकल्पो निराकाररूपो विभुर्व्याप्य सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणाम्
निराकाररूपो विभुर्व्याप्य सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणाम् अहं निर्विकल्पो निराकाररूपो विभुर्व्याप्य सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणाम्
सदा मे समत्वं न मुक्तिर्न बन्ध सदा मे समत्वं न मुक्तिर्न बन्ध
चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं
चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं 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 शिवोऽहं
That was Nirvana Satakam. What a wonderful performance. Yes, she deserves another round of applause. Thank you. So typically, a Mangala Charana is centered around a particular god or goddess. Here, we heard a brilliant composition based on a unique theme of the essence of soul, which transcends caste, creed. It has no color, nor it identifies with a gender and holds equal relevance in the contemporary society that is so divided based on these mortal attributes. Now, let's move on to the next piece. This beautiful novel composition, based on a uniquely beautiful raga, belongs to the category of Pallavi. These are pure dances and are based on a particular raga of Odissi music. The music starts slow and gradually builds to a crescendo. The dance similarly unfolds, just like a young bird or a leaf opening and maturing to a bloom. In Pallavi, you will find instances of Sawal Jawab, Jugma Dwanda, or in lay term, the direct conversation between a singer and dancer, where one challenges the other. Typically, the dancer replies with her dance steps to the tala by the singer. This particular Pallavi is Charukeshi Pallavi, based on the raga by the same name. The name in Sanskrit means maiden with beautiful hair, and the music signifies yearning, pining in love. This is not to be confused with the other olden versions of the same name. See how the dancer, through the intricate hand gestures or mudras, complex steppings or tala, and eye, neck, and body movements or bhangi follows the music. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes Arushi with Charukeshi Pallavi.
Tari chum, tari तकिट तदं तकिट तकधेनु ताझं ताझं तरि झं तरि झं तरि झं तरि तदं तकिट तकधेनु ताझं ताझं तरि झं
Dei ta tin tinaka tinita Dei ta tin tinaka tinita Dei ta tin tinaka tinita Dei ta tinaka dei Dei ta tin tinaka tinita Dei ta tin tinaka tinita Dei ta tin tinaka tinita Dei ta tinaka dei
Tari jham tari jham tari tadam takita tadam takita takadhenu tajam tajam tari jham tari jham tari jham tari tadam takita tadam takita takadhenu tajam tajam tari jham tari jham tari jham tari tadam takita tadam takita takadhenu tajam tajam tari jham tari jham tari jham tari tadam takita takadhenu tajam tajam tari tadam takita tadhenu 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 dham tadhenu dham tadhenu dham tadam takita tadhenu 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 dham tadhenu dham tadhenu dham tadam takita tadhenu 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 dham tadhenu dham tadhenu dham
Tina trikataka tinita Tina trikataka tinita Tina trikataka tinita Tina tinaka tinakita tinita
Tajam tajam tari tajam tari tajam Jenu tajena jenu tajam tari tajam Gama gama dhapa sani dhapa dhani dhani sani gare sani sani dhapa ni dhapa ma dhapa ma ga ma gare sa dha sani dhapa ma tajam tajam tari tajam jenu tajena jenu tajam tari tajam Dapa magari gare si gama padani dha padani dhani si gare sani dha pa re sani dha pa ma re sani sani dha ni dha pa dha pa ma tajam tajam tari tajam jenu tajena jenu tajam tari tajam re re gare sani dha sa gare sani dha sani dha pa re sani dha pa dha pa ma ga sari sari ga ma gare ga ma pa da ni sani dha pa ma gare sa
re ta dhani sa re ta dhani sa
re sani dha pa ma tajam tajam tari tajam jenu tajena jenu tajam tari tajam 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 tari tajam jenu tajena jenu tajam tari tajam tajena jenu tajam tari tajam tajena jenu tajam tari tajam kridagam jam tari 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 kridagam jam tari
sa
Sari sari gari gama gama pama gama pada ni da sa ni da sa sa ni da pa ni da pa ma da pa ma gari gari sa.
Da ge da da tu da tu da ge da tu da ta 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 tin ta ta tin ta ta tin da.
Gama pada ni sa ni da pa gari sa ni da pada ni sa ni da pa. Gama pada ni sa ni da pa gari sa ni da pada ni sa ni da pa. Pada ni sa ni gari sa ni da pa pada ni sa ni ga. Pasan ni da pa gama pada ni sa pasan ni da ni sa. Maga ni sa ni da. Gari sa ni da pa. Sa ni da pa maga. Da pa magari sa. Sari gama gama pada ni sa ni ga. Magari sa. Gari sa ni da sari da pa ni da pa ma sari da pa ni da pa ma da pa maga magari sa. Sari gama gama pada ni sa. Sari gama gama pada ni sa. Sari gama gama pada ni sa. Mapada pada ni sa ni sa ni ga. Mapada pada ni sa ni sa ni sa ga. Mapada pada ni sa ni sa ni sa ga. Gama gama gari 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 da. Sari da ni da pada ma 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 ni. Sari da gama gama ma pada ma jhum ta jhum tari jhum. Tari jhum tari jhum tari tari ta ko dhena ta gite ta dhena ta jhum tari jhum. Tari jhum tari jhum tari tari ta ko dhena ta gite ta dhena ta jhum tari jhum. Tari jhum tari jhum tari tari ta ko dhena ta gite ta dhena ta jhum tari jhum. Tari jhum tari jhum tari tari ta ko dhena ta gite ta dhena ta jhum tari jhum. Tari jhum tari jhum tari tari ta ko dhena ta gite ta dhena ta jhum tari jhum. Tari jhum tari jhum tari tari ta ko dhena ta gite ta dhena ta jhum tari jhum. Tari jhum tari jhum tari tari ta ko dhena ta gite ta dhena ta jhum tari jhum.
That was mesmerizing, even watching from the side. I can only imagine what you guys are witnessing. So, we have had small challenges, and there was a small change in plan in the last minute. Here, I was going to introduce our next speaker, Dr. Sangeeta Saikia, Odissi Academy's Vice President, a well-known cardiologist, and a culture enthusiast. She was going to talk briefly about the Academy, but due to some personal emergency, she could not be here in person today. But hey, I'm your MC, right? What is she gonna be good for, right? So she has sent a message, and I will be reading that to you. So this is Dr. Saikia's message. Odissi Academy is a not-for-profit organization, runs a dance school in the greater Houston area. Arushi has been a student of this organization. Here we present Bhattu Nritya by young students of Odissi Academy. This is a duet performed by Adyasha and Akshata. Please enjoy a perfect example of a pure dance by these students that they have learned recently. But more importantly, please realize that in this COVID-imposed curfew, their young mind and body did not miss a beat. They have been learning from the gurus in India, distant learning as we all know today. They are all excited and jumped at the chance to perform live, just like a true artist. This performance is to encourage our young students and also to give Arushi time to change and get a breather after that daunting but beautiful performance. Batu by Adyasha and Akshata.
के दादा किटी तकता हम राम तारी ताके 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 दादा किटी तकता
So, what a wonderful performance. Please give them another big round of applause. These young girls had me smiling throughout the performance. And I think we can see the confidence and the artist in them that's blooming and making you bring some Odissi to your enlightenment. I hope you're liking them. So next up is Abhinaya. Remember how I mentioned about the 4 cornerstones of Odissi dance? Mangalacharan, Pallavi, then Abhinaya. So the next one Ayushi is preparing for you is the one with expressions, enactments. So this Abhinaya item is based on Mother Goddess Durga, depicting her in one hand as a fierce goddess of war, who on the other hand is Viswamohini, the one who entices the whole world by her Maya or illusion. Then again, she is the benevolent mother to all who uplifts her downtrodden children. When Arushi is performing Viswamohini, please look for change in expressions. And those are the roles that she will be portraying through the dance today. The poet is Dr. Archana Nayak. She is a renowned Odia literature scholar and grand aunt to Arushi. She has composed this poem especially for this occasion. As I mentioned, what you are hearing today, what you are seeing today is all brand new and specifically designed for you. Thank you. Arushi will be shortly out for Viswamohini.
जयतु जयतु अम्बा जयतु भवानी 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 आलोक नंदिनी मातु आलोक नंदिनी मातु विश्व विमोहिनी आलोक नंदिनी मातु विश्व विमोहिनी विश्व विमोहिनी विश्व विमोहिनी जयतु जयतु अम्ब जयतु भवानी जयतु जयतु अम्ब जयतु भवानी। विश्वोत्तमा विश्वजननी विश्वोत्तमा विश्वजननी काली दुर्गा श्यामा वीणा अनुपमा विश्व मनोरमा वीणा अनुपमा विश्व मनोरमा मागो सुंदर अभिरामा मागो सुंदर अभिरामा आद्या शक्ति तो देवी भगवती आद्या शक्ति तो देवी भगवती दिव्य ज्योति प्रकाशिनी दिव्य ज्योति प्रकाशिनी दिव्य ज्योति प्रकाशिनी tina tatin tina hey tatin tina tatom tatirikadagadigan आनंदमयी चैतन्यमयी सत्यमयी तू परमा सत्यमयी तू परमा अनिंदिता देववंदिता अनिंदिता देववंदिता मागो विश्वचराचर धन्य विश्वचराचर धन्य पराशक्ति तू देवी भगवती पराशक्ति तू देवी भगवती गाए तोरा आवाहनी गाए तोरा आवाहनी गाए तोरा आवाहनी जय तु अम्बा जय तु भवानी आलोक रंगीला तु विश्वविभूति जय तु
What a wonderful enactment or abhinaya, Vishwamohini. So now, please allow me to introduce Mrs. Sarita Das, the President of Odissi Academy. She is a native Houstonian and an active community member. She works for one of the super major oil companies in town as the head of technology architecture. An avid Indian classical music and theatre enthusiast, Sarita actively volunteers at Fort Wayne Women's Center. She is also an Eagle coach for the underprivileged teens for Boy Scouts. Her hobbies include traveling, food, reading, and watching Criminal Minds. Please welcome Sarita.
Thank you, Anita. Criminal Minds and Law and Order, reruns all the time. Well, good evening, and thank you all for showing up today to be a part of Arushi's Nritya Ranjana. It's an honor to have you all to give your best wishes and blessings to her. She's going to be the first graduate of this organization. Odissi Academy strives to provide quality teaching to learners through experienced teachers from India. It's strengthened by different teachers who come yearly, infusing their individual teaching strengths, and students become versatile dancers as they're exposed to different forms of the same dance taught by various gurus. This actually reinforces the Guru-Sishya Parampara. Keeping that in mind, The organization going forward has decided to set a new tradition. The tradition where the graduating student or one of the senior-most college-bound student is going to act as a choreographer, as a teacher, and mentor the younger students. They, as part of this program, are going to choreograph a dance item, teach and dance with the younger students in this performance. So Arushi is going to do that today. Of course, all of these have been approved and blessed by her gurus. So she is going to perform an item today which she herself has choreographed and taught the younger students to dance with her. This is truly going to be a test of her performing as a solo dancer as well as a choreographer in future. So the next item that she's going to present is called Parameshwar, which is going to be a dance choreographed by Arushi. It is our wish that Arushi and all the graduating students will spread the enthusiasm of Odissi across USA and continue to follow Odissi and make it their life, a muse to follow forever in life. So the next thing I would do at this time is welcome Arushi's parents, Anu and Siddharth, to come to the stage and say a few words, because without their dedication, it won't be possible to see Arushi here. So Siddharth and Anu, please come to the stage and say a few words. Thank you.
Namaskar. I am Anuranjita and this is Siddhartha. We are Arushi's parents. We really appreciate you all for giving us the best gift, your precious time. Thank you for coming. Specifically at this time when we all are reeling under you know what. This is a big encouragement to us and Arushi. What is a performance without an audience? About a year ago, we were quite disheartened as all our planning was grounded to a big halt. First came the cancellation of prom, then graduation, and then Nritya Ranjana too. So did our India tour where she was going to perform. Sounds familiar? Somehow, with a mix of technology and sheer willpower, life treaded on, trying to dodge COVID behind face masks and hand sanitizers. Big setback for Arushi was deciding not to be in person in her freshman year. She just hated it. To me, this was all great. Another year from being an empty nester? I secretly relished it. All her dance practice came to a halt, but somehow, somewhere, that spark stayed on, and we cautiously broached the subject of this event, and Arushi gladly accepted to our surprise. And she has been a trooper since, not to mention the prodding at times. A very strong-willed person from a small age, she endured all my USMLE steps in utero and residencies, leaving friends behind, making new ones, and all the school changes as we moved across the country. Going to DeBakey taught her hard work and tenacity. She procrastinates, but gets the job done. That's her. The in-house neurologist's sermons on sleep schedule does not apply to her. We love you, Arushi, and will miss the nagging and so much more. Daddy here will miss your cakes and muffins, of course. All our best wishes are always with you as you take your chosen path. Okay, coming back to the show. Hours were dedicated by talented masters back in Orissa, in India, for creating these individual, unique Odissi music masterpieces from scratch. This was imperative for Siddhartha in this Dan age of copyright issues, and for me from the aesthetic point of view. Her gurus then carefully choreographed the dance with Arushi. Zoom came to rescue. We sincerely hope you have been enjoying the performance and we continue on to the next dance. I'm going to introduce the next dance. That's no stranger. This piece is actually a piece that you already know. This is Mohana Pallavi. This has been an all-time favorite for Arushi, and she insisted on performing this when her father wanted an all-new ensemble. And I don't blame her. The awe-inspiring dance and music by Guru Kelu Charan Mahapatra and Pandit Bhuvaneshwara Mishra is a timeless masterpiece. You are the judge as to how she performs beautiful Mohana based on Raga Mohana set to Thala Triputa.
So thank you for being a wonderful audience so far. I am sure you guys are waiting to see what's next that's going to be unfolding in front of you on the stage. As Sarita talked about Parameshwar, that is going to be with the group dance. Before we enter the group dance, we will let Arushi finish off her solo pieces. So the next up is going to be Mohana Pallavi. Let me tell you something about Odissi dance that I learned today. Coming from Odisha, being an Odia, I did not know my culture, and this is giving me an opportunity to learn. So the costumes that you see today are as intricate as the dance moves, as the ragas. The costumes also depict the mood of the raga. The colors mean something. So that's why we are bringing you a complete holistic picture of you, of the Odissi performance to you. The dance, the thala, and the costume that goes with the whole production of Odissi. Now, when me and my family decided that we will come to visit Arushi for Odissi, this performance, I did not know what to expect. But this short time has given me a learning of culture and the connection that is there between the performer and the audience. You guys have been amazing, and you've been following the ground rules, so I really applaud you for that. So how about you give yourselves a round of applause. And thank you, and we are getting towards the second half of the performance, and here comes Arushi with the next item.
Jenu tam tam
opportunity to introduce you the next performance while Arushi gets ready. The next item is called Parameshwar. It's a prayer based on Lord Krishna and his myriad of contrasting activities. For once, he is a creative village lad, frolicking in the divine dance with the gopis. Then again, he is the supreme mentor, bestowing the knowledge of Gita to the rightful rather than worried, to the grief-stricken Arjun as he sits perplexed in the midst of the epic battle of Mahabharata. See if you can identify the 10 avatars or the 10 incarnations of Vishnu amidst the dance celebrating the glory of Lord Vishnu. So as I mentioned, Parameshwar, the next item, is going to be a group dance, and it will lead into the finale. So the group dance is going to be performed by 6 girls of various ages. They have been students of Odissi Academy, and they have been embracing this art from their childhood. As we move on, Parameshwar to Moksha, like the finale of the grand, the Parameshwar will end and the Moksha will start over. And that's where we will go towards the end of our day. But we are not there yet. We still have a little bit moments to go. The 6 girls are getting ready. I almost hear their gurus, and they will be all coming together with Arushi. And as you guys all know, this is about Arushi and her dance performance. And we really thank you for supporting her. And we, as her aunt and uncle, we have seen Arushi from the month she was born. And I remember driving to Michigan City in white snow to see this little niece, the first one I have in the United States. I have seen her grow, seeing the different stages of her life, and what a wonderful young woman she has turned out to be. While she goes to the next stage of her journey in Case Western, I'm sure she will have the blessings that you all guys are giving her. With that, we will have Arushi. Come on, Arushi.
Namaskar and hello everyone. I sincerely hope you're enjoying the show so far. Now, as many of you may know, this Nritya Ranjana has been in the works for well over 1.5 years by now. And throughout that time, it's honestly been a little bit tough staying motivated to practice dance. I did take a break from dance during my fall semester of freshman year because I was just trying to ease into the college process. I mean, I was also a little bit bummed that I'd have to stay home for my first semester in college, but at least I get to go on campus my second semester, right? Spoiler alert, guys, I didn't go on campus my second semester. I was remote then too. But on the bright side, staying home both semesters meant that I could focus more on practicing dance during winter break. And that went pretty great, actually. Let me find my place again. Woo. Okay, I was reviewing all of the dances that you've seen throughout this program, plus the one you're gonna see after this, and I was taking notes, making corrections, adjustments, everything. It was going great. I even had this little notebook where I'd write all of my warm-up exercises and take notes after my dance happened. It was great. I'll admit it got a little bit out of hand when I started taking my heart rate before and after performances, but that's neither here or there. But I was really, really enjoying practicing dance, and I was looking forward to performing again. And then I got sick. Don't worry, it wasn't COVID. But I got so sick that I couldn't dance for about 2 weeks, which was kind of rough because after that 2 weeks ended, I didn't feel that same motivation to dance again. And then spring semester started and school and everything, and you know. And this kind of cycle of getting really motivated for dance and then demotivated again kind of repeated over and over again as I got closer to this Nrityaranjana. It kind of felt like the universe was conspiring against me and my dance. But if I learned something this pandemic through my dancing, it's that giving up, it's really easy. But even though it's infinitely harder and you might have to work your butt off, persevering and accomplishing your goals is so much more rewarding. I'm really glad I got to share my Nrityaranjana with all of you, and even if you're here watching in person or a recording, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now, I'd also like to thank a lot of very special people who made this Nrityaranjana possible. First and foremost, I'd like to thank each and every one of my gurus, as they have all taught me invaluable lessons in dance. Guru Prasanna Kasturi in St. Louis, Guru Anapaini Jakumpo, and Guru Swati Mahalakshmi in Florida, and Guru Supradipta or Deepta Mausi when I first came to Houston. Then in Odissi Academy, I was introduced to many gurus, all of whom taught me in a different way, which has given me different skills and built me into the dancer who I am today. Vijay Guruji, Ramesh Guruji, Dimple Guruma, who I'd like to thank for all of these beautiful saris that you've seen me wear today. Juji Guruji and Prashanta Guruji. Thank you guys so much. I'd also like to thank the Odissi Academy management team, without whom Odissi Academy and my dad's sanity wouldn't really exist. Thank you Sarita Auntie, Sangeeta Auntie, and my Boda Papa and Boda Mama, or Aran Uncle and Rini Auntie. I want to also thank my wonderful Kuri, who flew all the way from St. Louis to MC this event, and I want to say she did amazing, right? Thank you to the wonderful videographers, Ranjan Uncle and Mr. Josh. Thank you to the amazing photographers, Chetan Auntie, by the way she took the pictures you saw in your brochure, and Deepa Auntie as well. For the delicious food you're going to get to eat soon, I would like to thank Mr. Navjot, Smita Auntie from Austin, and Purushrama Uncle from Houston, and my dad. Of course, this event wouldn't be complete without a stage to dance on, so I'd like to thank the Hightower High School staff, Principal Robertson, Assistant Principal Adams, and I'd also like to thank Mr. Boldman and the custodians for all their help, and I'd like to thank Ms. Spikes, who is running lights and sound. Speaking of lights and sound, I'd also like to thank Subha Uncle, who's also running those. A big thanks goes out to Mr. Chu at Alcius Graphics, who printed almost all of the events you've seen at this event today. And a big thank you to Devashrita Auntie, Durga Auntie, and Deepa Auntie for helping me out backstage. I know it's a little hectic, but thanks for sticking with me. A big thank you to Pinu Dada and my wonderful cousin Samarth, who flew in from St. Louis last night with Kuri just to attend my Nrityaranjana. You guys have been such a big help today, and just being here, it's wonderful. Thank you so much. And of course, I'd like to thank all the kids who shared the stage with me today. Thank you, Alina and Akshata, for your beautiful botu earlier. And a huge thanks goes out to my Parameshwara kiddos, Avanti, Rinisha, Sia, Rishima, and Navya. There's honestly no other way to say it. You guys are the best, even if you're a little bit annoying at times. And last but certainly not least, I'd like to thank my mom and dad. In all honesty, I did practice a lot for this event, but it feels like my parents did more in preparation. From every little detail to this ginormous stage, my parents have been there, either micromanaging some little detail or telling me to sit and yoga more. Thank you, Mama, for always drawing my Odissi eyebrows for me, because I can never get them right. And thank you, Daddy, for always telling me what detail I need to correct in my brochure designs. Thank you very much. Now I'd like to give some gifts to some very special guests who have made today's event possible. And I will be giving those gifts later. I'm so sorry about that. I would also like to invite my Kuri up to the stage. And I'd also like to invite Jagannathy to the stage as well. And will Jagannathy please come to the stage as well? And I'd also, she's not here unfortunately, but I'd also like to thank Samvidhanti for all her help. Thank you. All right, now I'm going to invite my Kuri back to the stage to introduce the next item. The next and final one, so you guys can eat.
I know you all are getting restless. You've been a great audience, I'll tell you that. So, thank you. Dinner will be right after this finale. So, here it comes and enjoy the rest of the evening. Food is a very important part of our culture, and you will see a spread reflecting that in our carefully curated menu by Siddharth Bhai. Now, I'll talk about the last performance as it takes off right after the group performance ends. So Parameshwar ramps down and Moksha takes off. Moksha. Moksha is the Sanskrit meaning liberation of the soul from worldly ties. Arushi will end the program with this final piece. She is going to take you back to the same feeling of salvation or nirvana that we started with. It's based on Mahamrityunjaya Shloka. Here comes the dancers of Parameshwar aging 10 to 15 in Arushi. Thank you.
जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे अर्जुन स्पन्दन मन्दन च्युत मन्दन च्युत मन्दन च्युत मधुमोर नाशक पाप विनाशक दश रूप धारक श्रीमण्डित दश रूप धारक श्रीमण्डित दश रूप धारक श्रीमण्डित जगदीश गणुष नाश बर सरस सरस हरस कोटि मदन निदे जगदीश गणुष नाश बर सरस सरस हरस कोटि मदन निदे वंदे 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 पद्मनाभ वंदे पद्मनाभ वंदे पद्मनाभ वंदे पद्मनाभ वंदे पद्मनाभ वंदे पद्मनाभ वंदे द्रिमि द्रिमि ध्वनन ध्वनन मृदंग तुंग मंगल ध्वनि क्रम प्रवर्तित प्रचंड तांडव शिव प्रचंड तांडव शिव प्रचंड तांडव शिव
त्र्यंबकं यजामहे त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव वन्धना उर्वारुकमिव वन्धना मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृता मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृता मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृता मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृता मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृता ॐ शान्तिः ॐ शान्तिः ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः